Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Premiere Pro for syncing audio from Zoom clips, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Create a new project by selecting New Project from the welcome screen. Name your project and choose a location to save it. Now, click OK to create the project. Import your Zoom audio clip into the project. Go to File in the top menu and select Import. Locate your Zoom clip on your computer and click Open. Your audio clip will now appear in the project panel. Next, create a new sequence by dragging the Zoom audio clip to the timeline panel. Choose the settings based on your desired output. Right-click on the audio track in the timeline and select New Sequence from Clip. This will ensure the sequence matches the audio clip settings. Next, locate the video file you want to sync with your audio. Import the video file into your project in the same way you imported the audio. Drag the video file onto the timeline above your audio track. Now, you'll need to sync the audio and video tracks. Zoom in on the timeline for better precision. Look for a distinct sound wave in the audio clip you can use as a reference. Identify the corresponding visual cue in the video that matches the sound. Align the audio wave with the visual cue by dragging the audio track left or right. Use the plus key on your keyboard to zoom in further for precise adjustments. Once you have synced them properly, play back the sequence to check for any misalignments. If everything sounds good, proceed to export your video. Click on File in the top menu, then select Export, and choose Media. Select your desired output settings, format, and destination. Finally, click Export to render your video with the synced audio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.